Hey folks, welcome to Module 2. In this module, our expert will cover the various marketing channels. So get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
All right, so let's have a look at what are today the most important affiliate marketing channels, okay? So places where you get traffic to. You get your offer or your review out in front of eyeballs and you get some traffic to your affiliate links. The one that we're not going to touch on is blogging because that's been around for 20 years. You already know about blogging. It's kind of saturated, but we're not going to talk about blogging in the traditional sense. We'll touch on blogs a little bit indirectly when we talk about SEO, which is one of the channels, but not blogging itself or creating a blog or anything like that because that's old news. You already know everything about that. So we're going to be looking at the most important channel as an affiliate marketer. That's an email list. Okay, you can kick and scream and, resist that as much as you want. A lot of people don't like that, but it's a fact. It's your best marketing channel. It's building an email list. We're going to look at that first. Then we're going to look at two others, YouTube and SEO. So just ranking in Google search with your affiliate reviews and so on. So the first one here is email. Without question, the absolute most important one. When you're building an email list, you don't have to fight for that traffic anymore. Once you've got them on your list, they're on your list, and you can market to them basically for free. There's no question that email is the best way to do it. Okay, you build a list however you want to. Okay, try to build a quality list, so be careful with certain types of solo ads and stuff. But send traffic to a landing page, get people to opt in so they're permanently part of your tribe, your audience, right? And you build a list of, enormous numbers of contacts, just thousands and thousands of contacts. And every day, you send them an email just like this, explaining what the offer is that you're looking at, explaining why you think they should grab it. There's different styles of email marketing, obviously. Okay, but this is the basic one, pre-selling the product, right? You get them to click there, right? And you have statistics like this. From one day, just hitting send, typing some words and hitting send, all right? You've got 1,000 people reading a message here. You've got 300 plus people clicking through to the affiliate offer. And you can bet you're making some money in that case. All right. So it's the most powerful and important marketing channel. Now let's go look at a couple of other ones. First, we're going to look at an example from SEO. Okay. We're looking at Symphony here is a recent product that was launched. And what you're seeing happening here is people competing with their affiliate reviews, trying to get people to come to their bonus pages, their affiliate pages for that product. And that's where a sort of launch jacking, as they call it, is going to come in handy big time. We'll talk about that in the next video in the advanced tactics. Okay, but basically these guys search engine optimized their websites, their blog pages, their reviews, their bonus pages. And now when somebody's looking for a review or a bonus for this product that's launching, they're right here. Okay, this is pretty self-explanatory. You want to get content out there, all right, and you want to use good SEO practices to get it to the top of Google. So that's the second channel is Google, and the third channel is YouTube. Okay, so we're looking at, just as an example here, a guy named Bobby D, who's got a ton of videos where he basically reviews products. Okay, recommends products, offers bonuses for products inside of YouTube. You got to keep in mind, YouTube itself is a search engine now. People didn't used to think of it that way, but people now are regularly spending a ton of time on YouTube, right? And they're searching for things, or sometimes, they're just seeing recommended videos and saturating YouTube with quality content, okay, review videos, product recommendation videos, bonus videos, and so on and so forth, can get a whole lot of eyeballs to your offers, okay? And you can see right here that, there's varying degrees of success depending on how popular the product is. This one here, a product called Eclipse. As you can see, he was a little bit more successful with that one than he was with, say, Insta Audience, But this adds up. And the thing to remember about YouTube is that these things stay here, okay? So long after you're done promoting, long after the launch ends, long after you ran this particular campaign, months and years down the road, people will find these videos and click on these things, and you'll make passive income in one form or another. Okay, so that's a very important channel as well. That's YouTube. But the most important one, I'm going to foot stomp this, the most important one that you need to be focusing on as an affiliate is your email list. Because what you're doing here is you're fighting in real time for your audience over and over again. Every time, for every new offer that you want to promote, you're fighting over and over and over again. You don't want to do that. What are you doing here? You're fighting for more and more and more. So I recommend do what these guys are doing. Use these in addition to an email list. But make the email list your primary focus, your most important thing, okay? So now we've got channels out of the way, let's talk about some advanced tactics to increase your chances of making sales in all of these channels, sort of give you an edge against the competition, because affiliate marketing, of course, does have a certain level of saturation. All right, we'll handle that in the next video.